In my first video, I spoke to you about never ever apologize for your English. Next, we spoke about the first step towards confidence in English. And now, what to do next? Well, here is the answer in this video. Control your speaking. When you are not confident in English, you'll probably do three things. One, you'll speak quietly, softly, maybe you're inaudible. Next, you'll speak too fast. Again, you're not comprehensive. Third, you'll speak in fragments using single words or phrases instead of full sentences. Again, nobody can comprehend you. I'll give you an example. Amit, did you have a good weekend? Amit's answer, not bad, just stayed at home. Did that sound or look confident? Not really. Let's try again. Hey Amit, did you have a good weekend? It was kind of boring actually. I didn't go anywhere or do anything. What about you? See the difference? Even though I still had a boring weekend and I didn't have anything interesting to say, I was still able to sound confident and comfortable. There are three things you can do here. But before you start, I would like you to do something. Record yourself talking in English for 1 minute. Start with half a minute. Introduce yourself and talk a little about your life. Go on. Pause the video and do it now. Then come back. Listen to the recording. How does it sound? Do you sound confident? Next, let's get back to what you can do to sound more confident in English. First, control the volume of your voice. Confident people speak at a high, clear volume. You don't have to shout, but your voice should be loud enough that anyone in the same room can understand you clearly. Secondly, control the speed of your voice. When you are nervous, it's normal to try to speak faster. If you try to speak too fast, you will sound less confident and also make more mistakes. Slowing down will help you in many ways. You will sound more confident. You would be easier to understand. And when you speak English, you will make fewer mistakes. Finally, speak in full sentences. If you are not confident in spoken English, you'll try to say as little as possible. To sound confident, you should show that you're not scared of speaking English. So use full sentences, albeit small. Now, it's time to make another recording. Even better, make 3 recordings. Each should be one around 1 minute. Talk about yourself and your life like you did before, taking all the 3 suggestions I have given you one at a time. The first time, focus on the volume of your voice. Try to speak loudly and clearly. Second time, focus on your speed. Try to slow down and speak at a clear, controlled pace. The third time, focus on speaking in full sentences. Listen to the recordings. Compare them to the first recording that you made. Do they sound better? Next, try to use these 3 points even when you talk English in the real life. Remember, you may not feel confident, but you will sound more confident. If you sound more confident, people will respond to you differently. Try it. You might be surprised how much difference these simple points make. When you see how people respond to you, you will feel more confident in your English. Try it. Thank you.